What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Meribah. I haven't filmed a tutorial in like forever, I know. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Click that like button and comment down below if you have any ideas of what you'd like to see from me. As always, thank you to all my subscribers. Can I help you? Sorry, my dog is a little jealous. Just wanted to say thank you to all my friends and family who have been so supportive and have encouraged me to, you know, stick to my goals and get back into filming. Anyways, I will stop blabbering and I will get to the tutorial. I hope you guys enjoy. Alright, so the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to prep my skin with this Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Ultra Fine Mist. This stuff smells amazing and the mist is so nice. Just like to keep my skin like really hydrated. It's dry in Arizona, so this helps my skin stay hydrated. And then I started using this fan about a year ago. It just helps set anything a little faster. So to prime my skin, I'm going to use the Wonderglow by Charlotte Tilbury. This is a sample size. I really like this product. It's kind of got like a gold tint to it. And I'm just going to use a little bit on my cheeks, my forehead, and just a little here. Next, I'm also going to use the Hollywood Flawless Filter. This product is, I don't know, I really like it, but then I also feel like sometimes, depending on the foundation, it can look kind of weird. So I just take it on the cheeks. And this is just to kind of give like a highlight underneath my makeup. And then I'm going to use a damp beauty blender and just blend that in. Foundation, we're going to use the Dior Forever Foundation. This is still one of my favorite foundations, and I'm just going to pump a small amount on the back of my hand. I'm not going for like super heavy coverage, I'm just going to do like a light coverage. And then for bronzer, I'm going to use the Milk Makeup Matte Bronzer Stick. And I like to just use this like right underneath my cheekbone to define. I go under the chin. And then I like to use it up in here in my temple and around my forehead. And then I will take this down the bridge of my nose. So I'm going to take that same damp beauty blender and I'm just going to start buffing this into the skin. This bronzer shade too is just the perfect bronzer that doesn't look like too dark. And it just gives this really nice, like, healthy glow without looking too dark and like too orange. Alright, next for concealer, I'm going to use the Tarte Shapetape. I use the shade Light. Don't really need to explain this. I think everybody's been using Shapetape long enough now. We all know what this does. Alright, next I'm going to apply some bronzer. This is the Marc Jacobs Omega Bronzer in Coconut Perfect Tan. This is like my favorite bronzer. I haven't hit pan yet. I have the other one that's black and I hit pan in that, but this one I haven't hit pan yet. It's just the same thing. It's like a really nice color and it doesn't make me look crazy. And then with a like slightly slanted brush, I'm going to contour my nose just because I am very fair skinned, so I feel like my nose looks really flat. And I basically just go down the sides like this to kind of go into the middle. And it just gives like a narrow look to my nose. And then I'm just going to blend this out really well. Alright, I'm going to take this fluffy giant e.l.f. brush. I got this at Ulta. It's just like such a huge fluffy brush and it's clear. I'm just going to take this all over my face and just blend in every bronzer. Let's get it really, really, really blended. I'm using this MAC blush. I've been using this for, I think like 6 years. And I don't know, it's just one of my favorite colors. I just keep going for it. It's just a really nice peach shade. I don't even know if MAC makes this anymore. Alright, so to set my under eyes, I'm going to use the Hourglass, what is this called? Hourglass Veil. I was late to the game on this. This stuff is amazing. I honestly don't even want to use it because it's so nice. So I'm going to take my damp beauty blender and I'm going to go in and I'm just going to pat underneath my eyes. I'm going to use my Charlotte Tilbury compact here. And then I'm going to go alongside my nose. So with a clean brush, I'm just going to wipe away any excess powder. Alright, and then I am going to take my Charlotte Tilbury. This is the shade 1. This is the Airbrush Flawless Finish. I've been using this forever. And I'm just going to pat that over just to set the makeup a little more. And then with that fluffy brush again, I'm just gonna go over everything. I'm gonna take the Morphe Continuous Setting Spray Mist. This stuff again is amazing, and I'm just gonna spray this over my entire face. Take my fan and we're gonna just dry off what we just sprayed. Next, to give my skin more of like a dewy glow, I'm using the Ambient Lighting Palette by Hourglass. So I am using this IT Cosmetics brush here. I love this brush. IT Cosmetics brushes are so nice, honestly. If you are looking to invest in like a staple brush that you will use every day, IT Cosmetics too. Okay, so Spectrum, Morphe, and IT Cosmetics brushes. Those are my top 3. So I am just going in these 2 colors here, just picking up product, and I'm gonna go along my cheeks. And then I go on my forehead. And my chin and my nose. And so you can see how like it just gives this like gorgeous sheen. I don't know, I'm addicted to it. So I'm gonna take this giant fluffy IT Cosmetics brush and I'm just gonna go over where I just put that highlighter just to kind of smooth everything. But do you see how pretty that is? Like, oh my gosh, like I look like a little ornament, like I'm ready for Christmas. I'm going to be using the McGrath. This is the Mothership palette. It's insane. Like, look at these colors. I don't have autofocus on this camera, which is annoying, but like these colors are so crazy. And these mattes, the formula in these mattes, they're so pigmented, they blend like butter. And then I'm probably gonna dip into this little mini here, this Huda Beauty Mauve Obsessions. And this just has some really nice berry colors for fall. This color is like a really nice wine, I think. It looks like a Cabernet or something, which sounds delicious. All right, so in my crease, I'm gonna go into this shade right here, this like tan one. I don't want to touch it. And I'm gonna use this fluffy Spectrum brush. And these are so pigmented, so it's like I'm literally just rolling around a little bit, and look how much product it picks up. See, these really just blend like a dream. All right, then in the corner, I'm gonna take that really pretty Cabernet shade, and I want to pack it into the corner here and just do a really pretty deep red corner. That is so pretty. I don't know if I've used this before. So with that same shade, I'm gonna take a definer brush here, and I am gonna go in the corner below, on the, like right below the waterline, just a smidge. So we're like matching it. And then I'm gonna take a BH Cosmetics brush. This one's just clean. And I am just gonna blend this in. You guys, this shade is so pretty. I'm gonna go back in with that tan color that we started with, and I'm gonna just pull it back in here. All right, I'm gonna use this white. It's almost like a ivory, and I'm just gonna go over the corner, like all the way up here. And I'm gonna use like a flat spectrum brush. So we're just gonna take that like this. That same brush we used for the like transition shade, I'm just gonna pull that back. So to continue on the bottom lash line, I'm gonna take this really deep brown. It almost has like a red undertone, I mean it's brown, but it has like a deep red undertone. And I am gonna pull that under the whole lash line. And then I'm gonna take this fluffy little brush here, and I am just gonna buff out underneath the eye. All right, and then lastly, well not really lastly because we have a lot more to do. For the corner, like the inner corner of my eye, I do want a little pop. So I'm gonna take a like dense pointed brush here. I'm gonna take this really pretty iridescent shade in the corner. And it is so pretty. I've used this before. You can like spray the brush before with like setting spray and then put it on, but I'm just gonna put it on directly. And I'm just gonna pull that in the corner. Oh my goodness, it's so pretty. So next we are gonna take some black eyeliner, and I'm gonna throw this into underneath the waterline, and I need 2 hands for this. I'll be right back. All right, so I'm gonna use the Tattoo Liner Trooper Black. Y'all know the drill with that. I mean, everybody uses this eyeliner by now. If you're not, you should probably get it. And I'm gonna do my eyeliner really quick. So apparently I need a new eyeliner because this one is so dried out. I kept having to get it wet and then bring it back. So tip about like liquid eyeliner, if it's drying out like while you're using it and you just need it for like that one time before you can go buy a new one, get it wet like under the sink, and then it just puts water back into it, reformulates it. I don't know, magic, and then it works. So now that I got my eyeliner on, I'm gonna go ahead and pop on some lashes. For eyelash glue, I would highly recommend letting it get tacky for 4 minutes. I'm not even kidding you. I set a timer every time with my Apple Watch. I will go down here and I will be like, custom 4 minutes. 4 minutes is like the sweet spot for letting eyelashes set. And then always, you know, when you're doing your makeup, you wanna be time efficient. So I am gonna go ahead and do my highlighter. Do the highlighter. Oh, do the do, like look dewy. So I'm using the Charlotte Tilbury, what is this called? Bar of Gold palette. Look how bomb that is. I don't dip into the gold too much, that gold, because it's a little too dark, but these 2 shades are bomb. So what I'm gonna do, I'm actually gonna spray my Urban Decay All Nighter Spray, Still Ride or Die for this. get the whole face nice and set. And then we're gonna take our fan. Gonna get this nice and matte. You don't wanna open your eyes so your eyelash, or not your eyelash, but your eyeshadow doesn't crease. All right, and then I am going to take a Spectrum brush, little fluffy guy here. And I'm actually gonna go into this pinky one because I think that'll be pretty with the rose color. This is my highlighter brush. I'm gonna use the yellow gold, and I'm gonna go down the bridge of my nose and do the root off. And over here, I'm gonna go on the top of the lip. You can hear my dog whining in the back. And then I'm gonna highlight right underneath the brow. Alright, now that we have the eyelashes on, and we look magnifique, I am going to take that same Smashbox mascara and I'm going to put it on my bottom eyelashes. Alright, for lips, we are going to be doing a nude lip. I just got the Kim KW Beauty lip stick. I got 3 shades. This is nude 3.5. And then for lip liner, I have the Urban Decay Liar and then Nighthawk. So I'm going to take Urban Decay Liar and I'm going to outline my lips. And then I'm going to take the shade Nighthawk lip liner and I'm just going to go on the top and right on the bottom. I'm then taking the shade 3.5 Nude. I feel like my lips look a little one note, so I'm going to take the shade Kim K by Charlotte Tilbury, and I'm just gonna go in the center of the lip. Alright you guys, that is the final look of this fall raspberry tutorial for fall or whatever, when you want to be like super bougie, berry pretty. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, leave a comment down below, like this video, give it a thumbs up, all that good stuff, and I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.